Welcome back. In today's video I'll be showing you how to show recent changes of your worksheet in Microsoft Excel. Remember to leave a like and feel free to subscribe if the video helps. Let's get into the method. To show recent changes, open Excel and the worksheet you want to check, and now look at the top row of tabs and open the tab called Review. Within here, click on the option called Show Changes, and then a window should open on the right side of the page. This shows each of the changes made to this worksheet, and you can scroll or filter through them, and if you click on a change, it will highlight the cell in which this change occurred. You can click on the X to close this window once you're done. That's how to show recent changes of your worksheet in Microsoft Excel. Click the card on screen now to watch a video of mine showing you 10 easy ways to speed up your Windows PC. If you have any questions, then let me know in the comments below, and if you did find today's video helpful, remember to leave a like and feel free to subscribe for more tips in the future. Be sure to stick around to see some of my other videos that you might be interested in. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in another video.